Hello all, welcome to Sanket Group of Coaching. After a long time I am going to make this video. Today I am going to explain you chapter 10th Heron's formula, basic concepts of this chapter, and then tomorrow we will be seeing extra sums, or you can say exercise of your chapter 10th. So let us begin. Chapter's name is Heron's formula. Now Heron's formula is a formula to find the area of triangle. Okay, it's a area of triangle. Basically, you know, area of triangle is half into base into height. But how does half into base into height comes? Then it came from parallelogram. Have you ever seen a parallelogram? Let's say this is a parallelogram. Name it as, name this as A, B, C and D. Now you must be knowing area of parallelogram. What is area of parallelogram? It is base into height. Base into height. How the height will come? Let's say I am drawing a perpendicular from vertex A on CD. Then area of parallelogram will be base into height, where base will be your DC and height is your AM. Okay. Now what we have to do is, how you will find area of triangle as half into base into height. So see here, join diagonal BD. Okay, BD को मैंने join किया. Now if I cut from BD, what I will get? I will get two triangles like this, DAB. Okay, and another triangle will be DCB. Right? You can see two triangles from a single parallelogram when I cut it from diagonal. Then these two triangles have same area as that of parallelogram, क्योंकि उसी में से निकला है. ठीक है. So area of parallelogram, or you can say area of triangles. Now how many triangles you can see? There are two triangles. Okay, so 2 times area of triangle is equals to area of parallelogram. What is the area of parallelogram? That is base into height. So area of triangle, यहाँ पे 2 multiplication में है. If we move over that side, what will happen? ये 2 जो multiplication में वहाँ पे जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? It will go in division. So area of triangle is equals to, ये 2 जो है 1/2 base into height. So in this way area of triangle की जो formula है वो derive हुई है, which is half into base into height. Okay, ये chapter में सिर्फ 5 formulas है जो आपको याद रखनी है, and then you can solve any kind of sum. Very first formula which we have learnt is area of triangle, which is half into base into height. This formula is applicable for only and only isosceles triangle and right angle triangle. Why? So in right angle triangle, see this is a right angle triangle. And this is so base will be your BC and height will be your AB. So area of right angle triangle ABC will be half into base into height, which is where your base is BC. Okay, and your height is AB. So base, okay, Why I am saying you have to use this only during right angle, because हम लोग क्या पढ़ रहे हैं, चैप्टर नंबर 10 हेरॉन्स फॉर्मूला। तो हेरॉन भाई साहब ने भी कुछ फॉर्मूलाज निकाल के रखी है हम लोगों के लिए, तो हमको वो यूटिलाइज करनी है व्हेन यू फाइंड इट एज स्केलेन ट्राइंगल और आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल। ठीक है, आप सबने पढ़ा होगा स्केलेन ट्राइंगल, equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle. Three types of triangles are there. Okay, so three types of triangle are equilateral triangle, scalene triangle and isosceles triangles. Okay, there are three types of triangle where you have to use Heron's formula in these two triangles, scalene as well as isosceles. But in equilateral triangle we have a different formula. You can use your Heron's formula, but equilateral triangle की एक सीधी फॉर्मूला है, वो कैसे आती है वो देखो। equilateral triangle, first of all, definition of equilateral triangle is all three sides of triangle are equal. This is known as what? Equilateral triangle. In isosceles triangle आपको क्या देखने को मिलेगा? What you will see in isosceles triangle? Two sides are equal and one side is unequal. And in scalene triangle, what you will see? In scalene triangle, you will see all three sides have different measures. Okay, so we are now going to find the formula to find equilateral triangles area. So let us consider this as equilateral triangle ABC. Let the length of this triangle is a unit. So if AB is a unit, then BC and CA will be also a units only. This is A and this is also A. Okay, now what? We have to find area of triangle. Now I am drawing a perpendicular from vertex A on BC. This AM is known as altitude, or you can also say it as your height. So even if it is an equilateral triangle, area of triangle will be half into base into height, which is your BC will be your base and your AM will be your height. Okay, now when, always remember one thing, always remember one thing, in an equilateral triangle, if you draw an altitude from any of the vertex, then that altitude will become median as well. क्या बन जाएगा वो? मीडियन बन जाएगा. Now what is median? First of all, it divides a equilateral triangle or any triangle into two equal parts. Okay, it divides equilateral triangle or any triangle into two equal parts. That is known as what? Median. Okay, उसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? Median बोलेंगे. So as this is divided into two equal parts, now we have the value of base, but we don't have the value of height. So first of all we will find value of height, and then applying half into base into height, we get the formula of equilateral triangle. Okay, now ध्यान से देखो, ये जैसे ही मीडियन बनाना, तो M बन जाता है मेरा मिड पॉइंट ऑफ लाइन सेगमेंट BC. What do you mean by word midpoint? Midpoint is nothing but it divides the line segments into two equal parts. If the length of BC is 10 centimeter, let us assume, then what will be my BM? BM will be 5 and CM will also be 5. Okay, BM भी 5 है, CM भी 5 है. Now what is the actual value of BC over here? A unit, right? So what will be my BM? It will be A by 2 and CM भी क्या होगा? A by 2. Now observe triangle AMC. Can you observe AMC? It will look like a right angle triangle. Okay, this looks like right angle triangle. Now can you find the length AM? Yes, we can find length AM. मेरा MC जो है वो बन गया है A/2. मेरा AC जो है वो हम लोगों ने अज्यूम किया था एज A. Then by using Pythagoras theorem we can get the value of AM. By applying Pythagoras formula, AM square plus MC square is equals to AC square. What is AM square? It will remain as it is, AM square. What is MC square? It is A upon 2 whole square. And what is my AC square? AC square is A का whole square. Applying basic mathematics, ये प्लस है वहां जाएगा तो it will become minus A square and this will be A square और 2 का square होगा 4. Taking LCM, this is 4. यहाँ पे आएगा 4A square minus A square. So answer will be 3A square upon 4. This is AM square. What I need actually is AM. So taking roots of this, 3 का root, 3 is not a perfect square, so it will go inside like this, root 3. A square will become A and 4 will become 2. So my height AM is root 3A upon 2. Now what is area of triangle? Area of triangle is half into base into height. यहाँ पे ये ट्राइंगल में मेरा हाइट सॉरी बेस क्या है? ओवरऑल BC which is A as we have assumed it, and what we found as our height, it is root 3 by 2A. So root 3 by 2A. A into A will become A square. Root 3 and 2 2s are 4. So area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 A square. Okay, root 3 by 4 A square is your area of equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, I am again telling you, in equilateral triangle we have all three sides of triangle have equal measures. Now we will be moving towards isosceles and scalene triangle. ठीक है? In isosceles triangles, what will happen? Let's say this is an isosceles triangle. Sorry. This will be my side A. Let's say this is my side B. Then this side will be either A, length is either A or B. Let's say AA. Okay. And what about scalene triangle? Let's say this is A, this is B and this is C. What if this comes? How will you find area of triangle? Area of triangle can be found out by using Heron's formula. Heron was a mathematician and one day he was free. टोटल आइडल बैठे थे भाई साहब, तो उन्होंने सोचा कि क्यों ना मैं जाते जाते बच्चों की मेथी मारता जाऊं. राइट. सो उन्होंने एक नई डिस्कवरी दी और बहुत अच्छी डिस्कवरी दी जिसका फॉर्मूला बनाया और उन्होंने वो फॉर्मूला को क्या नेम दे दिया? हेरॉन्स फॉर्मूला, क्योंकि खुद ने बनाई थी ना. अब मैं अगर फॉर्मूला बनाऊंगा तो मैं भी अपनी फॉर्मूला रख दूंगा, संकेत्स फॉर्मूला, लेकिन अभी इतना टैलेंटेड हूं नहीं मैं. आगे बढ़ते हैं. सो A, B and C. Now first of all, before learning your Heron's formula, what we have to learn is perimeter, semi-perimeter. These two words are very very important, perimeter and semi-perimeter. What do you mean by word semi-perimeter? Let's say you are given a polygon. पॉलीगॉन में कोई भी आ सकता है, स्क्वायर, रेक्टेंगल, हेक्सागन, पेंटागन, इवन योर ट्राइंगल, ठीक है। ये सारे के सारे हम लोग इसको अज्यूम करते हैं कि ये पॉलीगॉन है। तो पेरीमीटर क्या होगा, सम ऑफ द साइड्स, सम ऑफ द लेंथ ऑफ द साइड्स, ठीक है, उसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे, पेरीमीटर। फॉर एग्जाम्पल ट्राइंगल में आपकी कितनी साइड्स होती है, देयर आर 3 साइड्स इन ट्राइंगल, then sum of all these 3 sides is known as your perimeter. So perimeter of triangle will be a plus b plus c. okay, perimeter symbol है उसका p, तो उसका वो क्या हो जाएगा, it is sum of the 3 sides of triangle which is a plus b plus c. now comes semi perimeter, ठीक है। आप लोगों ने सर्कल देखा होगा सबने, सर्कल, सर्कल का आधा होता है उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, सेमी सर्कल, ठीक है। वैसे ही पेरीमीटर जो है उसका अगर हम लोग आधा करें तो वो क्या हो जाएगा, सेमी पेरीमीटर, ठीक है। सो सेमी पेरीमीटर इज नथिंग बट p by 2. व्हाट इज p? इट इज a plus b plus c upon 2. ओके, सेमी पेरीमीटर क्या होगा, a plus b plus c, पेरीमीटर का आधा। And what is perimeter? It is sum of all the sides of triangle. Or what is the actual definition of perimeter? In a polygon, if sum of all the sides are done, then that value so obtained is known as perimeter. Okay, value so obtained is known as what? Perimeter. Why I have used these two words? Because Heron's formula, area of triangle by Heron's formula is equals to under root of s multiply by s minus a, s minus b and s minus c, where s is your semi perimeter and a, b and c are the sides of semi perimeter. Always remember one thing, semi perimeter s is always greater than a, b and c, ठीक है। नेगेटिव रूट्स में जाओगे तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम होगी। दिस ऑल्सो कैन बी डिराइव्ड, बहुत इजी है मेरे लिए। अगर आप लोगों को सीखना है तो उसके लिए 12th स्टैंडर्ड जितना दिमाग चाहिए, तब जाके आप लोगों को इसका डेरिवेशन भी आएगा। सो लेट्स नॉट वेस्ट टाइम इन दैट, बराबर है। हमको करना क्या है, सिर्फ ये 3 फॉर्मूलाज याद रखनी है और आगे की 2, तो टोटल कितनी, 5 जैसे बताई। पहली, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल, बेसिक एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल क्या है, बाई हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट। देन वी हैव सीन एरिया ऑफ इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल विच इज √3/4 a square या साइड स्क्वायर। एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लिस्ट, व्हाट इज द area of area of triangle by Heron's formula, which is under root s, s minus a, s minus b and s minus c, where s is semi perimeter. Semi perimeter is nothing but perimeter divided by 2. What is perimeter? It is sum of all the 3 sides of triangle, which is a plus b plus c, and semi perimeter is a plus b plus c upon 2. So all you need to remember is the list of formulas, which are 5, first, second, third, fourth and fifth. First and foremost, area of a triangle, that is half into base into height. Then second, area of equilateral triangle is equals to √3/4 side square. Then perimeter, which is equals to a plus b plus c. Then semi perimeter, that is a plus b plus c divided by 2, and area of triangle by Heron's formula, that is equals to under root of s, s minus a, s minus b and s minus c, where s is nothing but your semi perimeter, okay, which is derived from perimeter. So that's the end of our session number 1 of Heron's formula. Tomorrow we are going to see the numericals, or you can say exercise of it. So if you have gone through this entire video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. It is Sanket Purohit from Sanket Group of Coaching. Thank you very much. Tata, bye bye.